สวัสดีค่ะ everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai spicy chicken salad or Laab Gai. I'm not going to make like a classic or authentic way, but I'm going to show you fusion way. Alright, let's get started. In a pan on low heat, I'm going to add dry chilies and some salt. I will toast the chili for about 5 to 6 minutes. Just until the chili turns to darken color. Homemade chili flakes is much better than the store-bought one, and it's super easy to make it. After few minutes or until the chilies got a really nice color, I will bring it into a bowl and set it aside until it's cooled down, and I will blend it after. The next one that I'm going to prepare is chicken. I'm using chicken breast, but of course you can use any part of chicken you like or any protein you like. I'm going to remove the skin, but if you like it, you can keep it. After remove the skin, I'm going to slice it like a strip. After that, I will cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now the chicken is done, let's prepare vegetables. I'm going to thinly slice red shallots, but you can use onion or red onion. The next one is green onion. I would just thinly slice it as well. This is optional, but I like to have more crunchiness in the salad, so I'm going to add spur chilies. It's not spicy. And cucumber. You can add any vegetable you like actually. Now my vegetable is done, so I'm going to start making homemade chili flakes. Easy peasy, just bring that into a blender and blend it. I prefer to have a really fine chili flake, so I will give it a time to blend until there is no seed. I will keep the chili powder into a jar. It probably stay in my kitchen for about 1 week because I almost eat it every day. Even this is fusion lab, but I think we cannot miss khao khua or toasted rice powder. Even I'm going to make fusion lab, but we should not miss khao khua or toasted rice powder. If you want to know how to make it, I will leave the link in the description, or you can click above here. Alright, let's marinate the chicken. I will just add some salt, sugar, MSG, and that's all. Just mix it well. Oops, I forget to remove the skin. Well, mix it until everything is nice and combined. By the way, you might know that my cookbook is on publishing proceed. If you want to know when it's going to be released, don't forget to follow me on Instagram or Facebook or even here on YouTube. Alright, let's get back to cooking. I will set the chicken aside, and during that time, let's heat our vegetable oil for deep frying. I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use any vegetable oil you like. In this recipe for deep fry the chicken, I'm using corn flour. Just make sure all the chicken pieces coated by the flour. Alright, it looks good now. So let's check our oil is ready to deep fry or not. This is old style, but if you want to know the oil is hot or not, use a bamboo stick, touch the bottom of the pan, and if you see the bubbles around the bamboo stick, it means the oil is ready to deep fry the chicken. I will bring chicken in the oil one by one because I don't want it to stick to each other. I will deep fry the chicken until it's nice and crisp and golden in color. It's going to take like 5 to 6 minutes, but should not deep fry more than 10 minutes. Like that, the chicken is going to be very hard and not juicy at all. The fried chicken is done, so the next step is to making the salad. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to add some fish sauce, a bit of sugar, chili flakes. This chili flakes is super spicy, so add little by little. Do not add too much like me. Fresh lime juice. When you make this kind of dressing, you can give it a taste time to time to adjust the taste by your liking. I'm going to bring the fried chicken in. After that, our veggies. More fried chicken. And give it a quick toss. I think I need a bit of sourness. Now add some toasted rice powder. Give it a mix. The last thing and the important thing, mint. You should not miss it. I recommend you to put herbs at last because if you put in the beginning, it's going to wilt it and it's not look beautiful in the salad. Now give it a quick toss once again and serve it. I like to serve with salad leaves, make it healthy. Even it's not. And voila! Thai spicy chicken salad. My version is done, ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe for more yummy recipes every week. Thank you for watching. See you next week. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย